Hello guys, this is Dr. Lior Barel. So another big request I got from you guys was a lot of people actually had this issue. I know I had this issue recently, and you know, the first thing we do is we always go to the extremes, right? So for example, the Windows menu, as soon as you hit it, or even the dates and time, as soon as you hit it with your mouse, it either gets delayed like forever, or it just doesn't work, and it gets, you know, it just doesn't work at all until you restart, or sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. How do you fix this issue? Well, okay, so first off, I did some sifting around, I started looking, and I said, okay, let me go into the programming, right? So you go into the registry files, you try to code it. I coded it, worked for about a day, and then it died again. Nothing really was... everything was complicated, so I went to the complicated things, and I started looking around. I looked around and looked around and couldn't find crap. Everybody had the same kind of things that I was trying. They were trying as well. And what happened is I realized was actually the same thing. Like if you actually look around, they all had the same thing. So I tried to look around. I said, well, what should I do? So I'm looking. I tried to get through it. So I went into this option and I did this, and I said, let me just give it, I swear I found this out literally by accident, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly what I did, and it's extremely easy, and I can't believe I wasted all this time of my life on nonsense. So I'm going to show you guys now exactly what to do, and let's get right to it. Okay, we're starting. So, okay, so the first thing you need to do is quite simple. So most likely this is the way I describe it, what's going on here. What I believe is happening is when you start to install other things with Windows 10. Now I know some people reported it on Windows 7 and 8. I personally had not had that any problems with 7 or 8, but if it is, I'm sure it's the same exact thing. When you start to install different programs, there's some conflicts that's going on, and I think based on the conflicts that's going on, something, you know, is making something go haywire or whatever, and then you end up not getting, you know, right here when you're clicking on it, as you can see, it does not work. Or if you click here, it doesn't work, or it'll, you know, eventually work. So what you do is, it's simple. You go onto here, right? Yeah, sorry, you go into here. You click right, you go into Task Manager, okay? You right click on the bottom. You go to Task Manager. You go to, where is it? Run New Task. Now you type over here msconfig, okay? mscongfig. Okay, you go like this. Now you just wait till this baby restarts, okay? You have here all of these tabs right here: boot, services, startup, and oh god, I've been playing around with the services and I couldn't get this damn thing to work. So I said, what's going on? So you go into boot, okay? You put this on safe mode, alright? Then what happens is you click the apply and then the okay. I'm not going to personally do it, but just do it. Okay, hit the safe mode on here, click it, do apply, and then okay. It's going to ask you to restart. Okay, once you go into a full restart, what you're going to do is, in fact, let me just do it so you guys could see. Oh, actually, then it's not going to record. So that's not a good thing here. But just, you know, just right-click, again, Task Manager, go into Run New Task, msconfig, boot, click this, hit, and go on minimal if it's not set to minimal, apply, and okay. Okay, once you do that, if it, you know, it'll restart in safe mode. Okay, once it goes to safe mode and you boot it up in safe mode, okay, you re-click here, right-click on the bar here, go to Task Manager again, go to Run, go to msconfig, go to boot, and you're gonna see that this is on. Just take it off, hit the apply button, and okay. It's going to ask you to restart again, and it's going to restart normal. And once it restarts normal, you're going to see that you're going to have everything working normally. Okay, so right now, as you see, I tried to duplicate it, and I had issues. So see, right now it's not working, so I'm showing you what's happening here. So now I'm actually going to do this, and I'm going to show you how it looks after when I'm done. But as you see, I think I'm having issues here with this thing. Oh, here we go. Okay, sorry, because I had this on, I guess. But once you have this on, everything should work. Okay, because I'm recording, it's not doing that. Again, I have a feeling it has to do with other things as well. But then, once you restart and you do it, everything is working, you see, very, very normally. And everything should work 100%, as you see right here. So that's all that'll happen. So just go into you know, right-click on the bar, hit the task manager, go to msconfig, you know, run msconfig. Go to safe boot. After safe boot, in safe mode, do it again. You know, just uncheck the safe boot and minimal, whatever, uncheck that. Restart, go right into that, and everything should work just fine and dandy right afterwards, and everything should be operating just really, really cool. So that's all I got to say on that. Let me know what you guys think down below. And definitely, if you have any issues, you know, just put it down in the comments below and let me know what's going on. But pretty much that's all it is. Now, sometimes I get this, again, not working. Very rarely it happens, but sometimes it doesn't happen again. I just repeat the process and go to it. I have been in contact with Windows, and I have told them already about the issues. The only problem is, it's like they don't care. I don't know, because I haven't gotten any response or anything, and apparently many people in the forums have had this issue, and when I gave it to them, they were all thanking me and whatever, and they some of them reported that it went back to being like that, so they did it again, and it just went, you know, it went away again. And so just, I mean, if it happens again to you, so just, you know, just do the same exact thing. Just right-click, you know, and go right into it. But contact Windows as well. Maybe they'll fix it with an update. Because obviously this is affecting not just me, it's affecting everybody. And that's why I tried to duplicate it and get these issues over and over again. And it was funny because I had it. And it worked for me, and then I tried to duplicate it again, and it actually duplicated, and I did the restart, and boom, and it worked. So sometimes it will come back. Just repeat the same process. It's really simple. You don't need any coding or anything like that, or any registry file screw-ups or whatever. Just do this simple task, and it should be perfect. Anyways, as always, I'm self-funded. Everything I do, I give you guys honesty in every little thing. The only thing I ask is that you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for many more cool, honest reviews and honest troubleshooting videos just like this one to come out. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye.